Hey, it's Mike here, and today I want to show you how to record an assignment in Panopto using your Blackboard interface. So here I am in Panopto in Blackboard, and you'll notice that I'm in Neuroscience and Ethics. It could be any class, but down below you will see a folder that your faculty member, that your instructor has set up for you that will say something like Assignments, Submit Here. And you'll click on that folder. Oops, that one has stuff in it, but that's okay. I'm just going to go back. And you can click on that folder and you can put your content right in there. Once you're in the correct folder, all you need to do is populate your files. So if you go up to the top here, you'll see Create, and I'll hit the Create button. And you'll have a bunch of options. Panopto for Mac or Panopto for Windows, depending on what kind of a machine you're on, will either start up Panopto, the actual client, or it will give you the opportunity to download the client. And either one of those is fine. Panopto Capture will open up a web browser capture device that some people have a hard time using. If you find that you're having trouble with that, you can always download the app, the Panopto for Mac app, or for Windows. The other thing you can do is you can upload any media that you'd like, and just go ahead and click on the Upload Media button. And if you recorded something in Zoom or PowerPoint or wherever, you can upload the media right there. So those are your three options. The Panopto Capture, let me show you what that looks like. So if you click on the Panopto Capture, now you'll see that you have a web feed. If you don't see this, then you probably need to give your computer permissions to for the camera for Panopto to take control of the camera and the microphone. If you can't figure that out, I suggest that you try one of the other techniques that's easier to use. Either upload something that you can already use, or download the Panopto software and use the software directly. But here I am in the Panopto Capture software. And if I need to share my screen with somebody, I can, if I'm in Chrome, I can actually only share a window in Chrome effectively. That's one of the flaws in the Panopto Capture software. So if I have a Google site that I want to show somebody, or a Google Slides that I want to show somebody, or if I have PowerPoint online, then I could do that. But I couldn't open up a PowerPoint and play that app there. So I'll click on Screens and Apps, and it'll just show you what I'm talking about. So you'll notice I could try to share the entire screen, but it's not going to share. It just won't work. Window, I won't be able to share that either. So what I need to do is I need to go to the Chrome tab here, if I'm in Chrome, and I would choose whatever I wanted. So if I wanted to share the page with art history faculty, I could click on that and I hit share. And now you'll notice I'm sharing that page. And that's what you'll see. And if I go back to the Panopto window, let me find it here. Now you'll see I actually am looking at myself in the page, and I can change that around. I can do not picture in picture. I can add it to picture in picture with that click there. I can go to full screen if I want to. I can remove myself. I can turn that camera, the smart camera. Maybe that's not removing yourself. Let's see. That turns on a smart camera, which I don't know what the smart camera is doing, but I guess it's optimizing my video. Now I could have multiple people on a smart camera. I could also make there be no background. So anyway, now that I like the way it looks, I'll hit record, this green red button here. It'll count me down, and it'll start recording. And I have a timer here, and if I play the PowerPoint or the whatever I'm showing on my Chrome window, then I get to see everything. So if I click on, let's see if I can find that page. Here's the art and art history, And now I can actually kind of scroll through it. I can browse around, and it tells me that I'm sharing it, right? And so I know that I'm sharing that tab, so I can go in and I can look at Alan Braddock, and I can see what he's up to, and I can shoot him an email if I want to, and I'm seeing that all on my browser in my recording. So that's basically all you need to do. Let me go back to that Panopto window, and then I'll just hit stop. So once I've hit stop, it'll upload. It's already uploading it to that folder, to the folder that it needs to be in. So I can actually just hit stop sharing here, and I can just close this window. So I can actually hit the little X here, and I'm all done. And that is how you upload something to the Panopto folder.